allergies are bowed from breath, tension, or just genetics, try this. It is an onion and rosemary treatment that regrew mine, and you don't need a blender or a spray bottle, just a cotton pad and 10 minutes. But before we start, I already have videos on this channel explaining what onion and rosemary do for your hair. I will drop the links in the description. Go watch them after this. It is important you know what an ingredient contains before you put it on your hair. Hello queens, welcome back to the Growth Garden. If you are new here, I am Annie, a med student, and on this channel we talk hair science and also dissect a whole lot of natural ingredients, so make sure you subscribe and join the family. And to you all my amazing subscribers, thank you so much for your show of love and support. So here is how to make it. We will be needing a quarter onion, or let's say half medium size onion, 1 teaspoon rosemary, and a cup of water. Step 1, you slice your onion. Since we are not using a blender, you have to slice it so as to get the good stuff from it on time. After you're done slicing your onion, you add everything into your pot of water and then you bring it to boil for 10 minutes. All right? After 10 minutes, you take it down and let it cool completely. Then you strain. Make sure you strain it well. We want 0 onion bits so it doesn't irritate your scalp. Pour it into a small jar or cup. No spray bottle needed. And you make it and use it immediately. This is not to be kept in the fridge. It smells awful, so you can add 3 drops of lavender oil or peppermint oil to it, but I didn't add any to mine because I'm used to the smell. Now, application. Make sure you use this on your edges and thinning areas only. So you dab a cotton pad in the mixture and you dab it directly on your hairline, just the way I am doing. you massage 2 minutes with your fingertips to boost blood flow and circulation. You can do this once or twice a week, but make sure you make a fresh batch every time you want to apply it. You leave it for 30 minutes before you wipe it off. Do not leave it overnight. I left mine overnight once and it burned my edges, so please do not leave it overnight. 30 minutes maximum. I've been doing this for 2 months now and I am seeing baby hairs. If you are struggling with your edges, then try this. The other videos are in my description. It is time to wipe it off, and I'll be doing that with a wet towel. After that, I'll seal my edges with a light oil. That's a wrap for this video. What are your thoughts? If you have any question at all, you can leave them for me in the comment section and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, my queens, do not forget to water your hair as always. May your hair be luscious and may your scalp be happy. And remember, if you want to give this a try, consistency is very important. I've been doing this for the past 2 months, and that is why I was able to see results. You cannot do this once and expect to see baby hairs. It is not magic, it is consistency. So try this for a month or 2. After trying these treatments, please don't forget to tell me your experience. All right, I would love to hear them. Thank you for watching. Bye.